Hi, this is loans number 12 from My Open Math, and I've had a couple of questions about this problem, so I thought I would demonstrate an iteration of number 12. 13 is very similar to it. So this is a amortization schedule, and in my opinion, the author of this particular question should have flipped these two columns, and it would have made it a little bit more obvious what to do. So in our amortization tables in our notes, I had already found the monthly payment for you. So we'll need to do that here. So the loan is $91,000 in this situation. Our time is 25 years. Our rate is 0.056. Our N is 4 because it's quarterly. And we are looking for the payment amount, which is our capital R. That's going to be our regular payment. Okay, so I will set this up in our equation. Oops, missing a few zeros there. See, that would be negative 100. Okay, so let me go ahead and pause this while I figure that out. So my quarterly payment was $1,696.41. So that would be the payment amount that they're talking about. So for the interest, remember we take our previous balance times our rate times our time. Now this is quarterly, this is not monthly. So how much of a year is a quarter? It's 1/4. So we'll take the 91,000 times 0.056 and then times 1/4. And for my interest, I get $1,274. So I want to figure out how much of my monthly payment, my quarterly payment is the principal then. So I would take this $1,696.41 and I would subtract from that the $1,274 and I will get $422.41. This right here is how much we are removing from the balance we are paying on that principal. Okay? So now I will take that 91,000 and subtract from that what I just got. And so my balance is down to $90,577.59. Okay, now I'm ready to find my interest for my next quarter. So I'm going to take this amount right here, times 0.056 times 1/4 of a year, because that's again a quarter. And I get for my interest $1,268.09. Oops, that would be 90, wouldn't it? 9 cents. Okay, so I'm going to subtract that from my quarterly payment, and I get $428.32. So I'm going to be now subtracting this principal amount from what I previously got for my balance. So that $90,577.59 minus the $428.32, and I will get $1,490.27. Okay, so this will be my new principal for this interest here, and continue on.